पञ्चाङ्गम् अद्यतनपञ्चाङ्गं सप्तविंशत्यधिक-एकशतोत्तर पञ्चसहस्रतमकलियुगाब्दः श्रीविश्वावसुनाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं हेमंत ऋतुः पौषमासः कृष्णपक्षः एकादशी तिथिः अनुराधा नक्षत्रं गण्डयोगः भवकरणं सौम्यवासरा. Today's date 14th January 2026 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति द्वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्रादरदेवाहं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. So we are in the contemplation of the first chapter, where 36th shloka we need to chant and contemplate today. Nihatya dharta rashtranaha का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दना निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दना निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः प्रीति स्यात् पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान्. Now all together we will chant. निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दना पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दना पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः. Now let us see the contemplation of this shloka. जयति पराशरसूनुः सत्यवती हृदयनन्दनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुं च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So we are into a special day today. As everyone knows, the speciality of today, usually it is Sankranti, Sankramana, that is very fine. But coinciding Ekadashi on Sankramana, it is very rare. We have not seen Ekadashi Sankramana happening. Very rarely it happens. And today is such that auspicious day. And today's Ekadashi is also very special Ekadashi, that is called as Shaktila Ekadashi. What is this Shaktila means? We have to do all our activities with Tila only, including everything. Shaktila means there are 6 activities which has to be performed today. What are those 6 activities? I am going to tell you. Please, you should know this. Because on this Makara Sankramana day, where Surya is entering into Makara Rashi, Okay, where Surya Bhagavan is very much contemplated here, and we are contemplating Bhagavad Gita here, because Krishna says, Vivasvan Manave Prahaha. I told this to Surya, this yoga. First person to listen is Surya only. So we are contemplating on the day of Sankramana Day. What are the 6 important activities connected with Tila? Tilasnayi, Tilodvarti, Tilahomi, Tilodaki, Tilabhuk, Tiladatacha, Shaktilaha, Papanashanaha. Shaktila, Papanashanaha. This Ekadashi is called as, all the Ekadashis are 24 Ekadashis are named. Today's Ekadashi is Shaktila Ekadashi. 6 activities. Tilasnayi, you have to take bath in Tilodaka. Tila, you have to take Tilodaka Snana. Tilodvarti, you have to lamp in front of God. Tiladeepa. Tila only should be considered. All Ayurveda students know. Sarvesham Snehanam Tila Tailam Vishishyate, it is told. Tila Taila is only called as Taila in Ayurveda. So we have to light lamp Tilodvarti and Tila Homi. We are doing Homa here. Ask there, they are doing Tila Homa there. Is it not? So everything is coinciding here. Tilo Homi and Tilodaki, Tila Tarpana we have to do at the time of Sankramana Kala. Then Tilabhuk, you have to eat til ka laddu hi khana chahiye. Then Tila Datacha, Tila as Dana you have to give. These are the Shat Karmas which are going to call it as Shat Tila Ekadashi. So on this beautiful contemplation day of Shat Tila Ekadashi, what you have to do? Don't do Tilabhuk. Keep your stomach empty. On Ekadashi day you are not supposed to eat much. So you have to keep as light as possible. Vedavyasa already says in Padma Purana, Punarvachmi, Punarvachmi, Shruyatam, Shruyatam, Naraha, Nabhoktavyam, 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 Harer Dine. So with that contemplation, let us go to the word split of this shloka. Nihantya Dhartarashtran Naha Ka Pritihi Syat Janardana Papam Eva Ashrayet Asman Hatvaitan Atatayinaha. With these words, Nihatya. Nihatya means Hatya. Why that word prefix Ni? Nihatya means Nitaram Hatya. By killing all our kith and kins here who are gathered on this battlefield. Dhartarashtranaha. Dhritarashtrana Makkalelru anta. Ellaru sambandhikare iroreಲ್ಲ. So there Dhartarashtranaha means killing all our cousins and all the sambandhikas, Acharya, Pitara, Putra, Tataiva, Pitamaha, everyone. Ka Priti Syat Janardana. O Janardana, Krishna is addressed by Arjuna as Janardana. What is the meaning of Janardana? That also etymology I will tell you. Why this word is used here by Arjuna, Janardana. Many names, Keshava, Madhava, like this it is used. But there is a particular reason why to use that word. Janardana, Kapritihi, what love we are going to gain. Yen namak bantu preeti idrinda, ellarnu kondakodrinda, Nitaram Hatya. By killing them permanently, what love we are going to gather? Nothing we are going to get it. Oh Janardana. Here Janardana means Jananam Ardayaditi Janardana. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕಾಟ ಕೊಡೋನು ಅಂತ. ಅರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನನ್ನ ಕಾಟ ಕೊಡೋನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Jananam Ardayati means, Jana means in Kannada only you can explain all this. Because in South Canada we have those ಎಂತ ಜನ ಮರ ಇದೆ ಇವರು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ. ಎಂತ ಜನ ಮರ, ಎಂತ ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಜನ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಂತ ಜನ ಮರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದು ನಾವು. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಜನರನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋನು ಅಂತ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರಿಗಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಜನಾನಾಂ ಅರ್ಧಯತಿ. ಎತ್ತ ಜನ ಮರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ದೋಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ್ಸ್, please learn Kannada. So this will help you to understand the better philosophy of Bhagavad Gita here. ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಕಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಯಾತ್ ಜನಾರ್ದನ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಲ್ಲೋದ್ರಿಂದ? ನಿತರಾಮ ಹತ್ಯ. ವಾಟ್ ಲವ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಪಾಪಮೇವ ಆಶ್ರಯೇದಸ್ಮಾನ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಪ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಪ ಬಂದು ಸುತ್ತಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ. ವೈ ಸಿನ್ಸ್? ವೈ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಪಾಪಮೇವಾಶ್ರಯೇದಸ್ಮಾನ್ ಹತ್ವೈತಾನ್ ಆತತಾಯಿನಃ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಆತತಾಯಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಆತತಾಯಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ who kills others by giving poison. ಅಗ್ನಿದೋ ಗರದಶ್ಚೈವ. ವಿಷ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಯಿಸೋರನ್ನ ಆತತಾಯಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಾಯಿಸೋರನ್ನ ಆತತಾಯಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. देन दूसरों का जमीन जायदाद हड़पने वाले, उनको आतताई बोलते हैं. और दूसरों के पत्नियों के ऊपर आंख डालने वाले, वो भी आतताई है. उनको जहां भी देखने के लिए मिलता है ना, उनको गोली मार दो बोलते हैं शास्त्र. यस, शास्त्र says you have to kill that atatais wherever you see. But Arjuna's bandhu prema is so prominent here that he is becoming very much vulnerable to the bandhu prema, even though they are atatais. Arjuna is, Duryodhana is definitely an atatai, because he tried to kill by giving visha to the Pandavas, and he tried to put fire in the ಅರಗಿನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇಟ್ಟರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಷ ಕೊಡೋದು, ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ವಸ್ತ್ರಾಪರಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆತತಾಯಿ. ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆತತಾಯಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇನಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೇಮ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವನ ಆತತಾಯಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಲ್ವ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಕಿಲ್ ಮೈ ಓನ್ ಕಸಿನ್? How can I kill my own brothers like this? Though he is an atatai, the bandhu prema has become jagrita here. That is why he says hatvaitan atatayinah etan na hantumichami. For that justification he is giving here. Let us see the next shloka in the next coming days. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.